Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Citibank to Cash App. So transferring your funds from Citibank to Cash App is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. So ordinarily, when you have a Cash App application or a Cash App account, you'll have to add your bank. Now, to connect your Citibank to Cash App, the first thing you want to do is you want to add your bank. Now, to add your bank, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Cash App application. Now, from there, you need to look for your profile icon, which is located at the top right of your screen. Now, from there, just click on it and just click on Link Banks. Now, under Link Banks, you should be able to see a section that says Link Bank, and you just need to tap on it. Now, from there, you'll be given prompts to follow. So make sure to follow those steps and enter any details that they'll be requesting from you. So those details are about your bank. Now, once you've added your bank and successfully followed the prompts, you've just successfully added your bank and you'll be able to cash in using your Citibank. Now, to add cash into your Cash App application using Citibank, the first thing that you want to do is you want to look for the Money tab on the Cash App home screen. Now, from there, just tap on it and you'll be redirected into a new UI, and you need to look for the Add Cash button. So just click on it again, and from there, you'll have to enter the amount that you want to cash in. Now, from there, just tap on Add, and then you need to confirm your transaction by using your Touch ID or by entering your PIN, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.